submitting a successful spouse indefinite leave to remain application. For numerous migrants in the United Kingdom, the greatest intention is to settle, specifically for those who are on a spouse or other family-based visa, so they can stay for long-term in the United Kingdom with their British or settled family members. So as to achieve this, they need to make an application for indefinite leave to remain if all of the obligations can be met. You can either apply by yourself or get help from Immigration Solicitors, who are experts in making and submitting effective spouse indefinite leave to remain applications to the United Kingdom Home Office. If you want to discuss or get more details on spouse visa, please get in touch with our team for further information.
Changing the rules on immigration.
An immigration bill.
Points-based immigration system. Brightest and the best.
Greatest place to live.
Spouse indefinite leave to remain. What is it? Spouse ILR, also known as indefinite leave to remain, settlement, settled status, or permanent residence, is allotted to a non-European Economic Area national once they have exhausted a particular amount of time lawfully in the United Kingdom on a United Kingdom spouse visa. Successful applicants need to show that their spousal relationship to their British or settled sponsor is authentic and existing at the time of submitting the indefinite leave to remain application, along with fulfilling all of the other obligations for indefinite leave to remain. Some of the important requirements for indefinite leave to remain are: exhibiting uninterrupted lawful residence in the United Kingdom of either 5 or 10 years, subjecting on the settlement route; not having an unnecessary amount of absences, days spent outside the United Kingdom within the qualifying period, and knowledge of life and language in the United Kingdom. As with the prior spouse visas, spouse indefinite leave to remain will be contemplated in accordance with the Immigration Rules Appendix FM and Appendix FMSE. After spouse indefinite leave to remain has been approved, migrants may be able to apply for British citizenship after 12 months. Does a spouse visa and indefinite leave to remain mean the same? No, a spouse visa does not result in automatic settlement rights in the United Kingdom. This denotes that applicants will be subject to immigration circumstances and specific limitations such as not being allowed to get public funds. Once permitted with an initial spouse visa, the applicant will be given 30 months leave to remain in the United Kingdom. Within 28 days of the expiry of that visa, the applicant can then apply for an extension for a further 30 months. If the applicant is on the 5-year settlement route, they may then apply for indefinite leave to remain within 28 days of the expiry of that extension. If the applicant is on the 10-year settlement route, then they will need to have possessed the United Kingdom spouse visa for 10 years, 4 consecutive spouse visas, before being entitled to apply for indefinite leave to remain. When can spouse apply for indefinite leave to remain? The span of time one must spend on a United Kingdom spouse visa before applying for indefinite leave to remain depends on the settlement route they are on. If all of the obligations for a United Kingdom spouse visa have been met, then the typical length of time spent on a spouse visa is generally 5 years. In conditions where the case is not clear-cut, and the United Kingdom Home Office applied any discretion in allowing the application even with one or more of the obligations not being met, then the applicant may be put on a 10-year settlement route, instead of the visa being declined wholly. The United Kingdom settlement route will be stated within the United Kingdom Home Office decision letter. It is also likely for a migrant on the 10-year settlement route to shift to the 5-year settlement route. Can I apply for indefinite leave to remain after 2.5 years? No, it is not possible under the present United Kingdom immigration system to apply for spouse indefinite leave to remain after a period of only 2.5 years or 30 months. Even though a United Kingdom spouse visa is valid for only 30 months, applicants need to apply for an extension of a further 30 months in order to meet the criteria for indefinite leave to remain on the 5-year settlement route. This is the end of our video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by commenting below or email us. We will be back with more updates on United Kingdom spouse visa very soon.